of you, मैं शब्बीर from Educami and I'm discussing some of the important strategies for prelims preparation. This is a kind of an awareness series because I believe a lot of people who give the attempts in prelims, they do not know exactly what the approach should be in preparation. So call this as awareness building, call this as a part of know your prelims process, know your prelims examination before you actually go and try to ace it. So here we go. 5 mistakes that you make in prelims questions attempt. आप क्या करते हैं? Mistake number 1 is that you try attempting the paper sequentially. Students appear question number 1, then they attempt question number 2, then they attempt question number 3. And in case there are a couple of questions which are very tough, by the time they shift on towards the 7th, 8th question, they lose confidence. बहुत बार जो क्वेश्चन का हार्डनेस है और द क्वेश्चंस का जो ट्रिक वाला कंपोनेंट है, इट इज स्कैटर्ड अक्रॉस द पेपर. Lot of very easy questions are towards the end of the paper and some of the difficult ones are towards the beginning of the paper. So you must have an ability of scanning the entire paper very fast कि आप पूरे 2 घंटे के अंदर में आप 3-4 बार पेपर उठा लें. इसलिए आपको पहले जानना होगा कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन आप पहले अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. लुक फॉर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, लुक फॉर वन वर्ड चॉइसेस, लुक फॉर मैच द फॉलोइंग. These type of questions are very easy to answer and you can actually avoid making silly mistakes if you start with those type of approach. So do not attempt the question paper sequentially. That's mistake number 1 that you make. The second mistake that you do is that you do not attempt enough number of questions. तो एक प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है जब कोई क्वेश्चन पेपर में बता दिया जाता है कि नेगेटिव मार्किंग है, स्टूडेंट्स गेट वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. They're scared to guess the answers and they only mark which they are confident about. So बहुत बार क्या है, your attempts are 60, 70 out of 100 questions. It's a very, very low number of attempts. Those people who qualify on an average, they have attempts of more than 95 questions. तो अगर आप 90 से कम attempt कर रहे हो और accuracy actually आपका उतने level का नहीं है, you can never qualify. So try attempting more questions, as many as possible. But yes, not blindly think करके, थोड़ा सा strategize करके. अगर 10 questions में अगर आपके 7 mistakes भी होते हैं, you still are going to end up gaining marks rather than losing marks. So mistake number 2 that you make is you don't attempt enough number of questions. एक थर्ड मिस्टेक आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में होता है that when you are attempting the question, you are going in a process where you are not marking कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन आप बाद में आके रिवाइज करना चाहेंगे. What happens is, though people tell that they keep last 5-6 minutes for revision, आप सोच के देखो 100 क्वेश्चन के अटेम्प्ट में अगर आपने ढंग से मार्क नहीं किया है, ढंग से क्वेश्चंस को आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया है कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन बाद में आके आप रिवाइज करना चाहते हो, you will not be able to revise your paper after the time is over. So while marking, you should identify that you must have 10-15 questions you want to come back and visit again so that you can say you have revised it. So while marking and while attempting the paper, make sure that you have identified कौन सा क्वेश्चन आप रिवाइज करेंगे. Don't keep it कि बाद में आके मैं पूरा रिवाइज करने वाला हूं. Mistake number 3 that you do is, in the practice sessions that you sit down, you don't have a method of identifying what type of question have you attempted in what way. Lot of questions that you have got right are guess which you were lucky to get right. Lot of questions you have got wrong are very narrow errors. You should not have got wrong if you had identified and read the question properly. Lot of mistakes you make are blunders. ऐसे मिस्टेक्स होने नहीं चाहिए. तो वेल अटेम्प्ट द पेपर, मेक श्योर, खासकर प्रैक्टिस में व्हेन यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग टेस्ट्स एज अ पार्ट ऑफ रिवीजन, व्हेन यू ट्राइंग टू गेट फेमिलियर, यू मस्ट हैव अ मेथड कि हर क्वेश्चन पे आप मार्क करो. इज इट अ कॉन्फिडेंट अटेम्प्ट, इज इट अ स्मार्ट गेस और इज इट अ ब्लाइंड गेस. हमारा जो PYQ अटेम्प्ट का प्लेटफॉर्म है, वी ऑल्सो गिव यू दिस टाइप ऑफ एनालिसिस, विच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू शुड नॉट हैव गॉट रॉन्ग. अगर L1 इजी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है और आपने रॉन्ग कर दिया, वो ब्लंडर हो गया. और अगर टफ क्वेश्चन है and you have got it wrong but you have got the choices very very narrow, it implies that you are not very far away from actually getting good marks. So while attempting the paper, make sure that you have a method of identifying which are the questions you are attempting on what way. This is what helps you in proper attempt analysis. Don't just tell us right कितना है, wrong कितना है. आपको बताना चाहिए अगर राइट है तो किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस यू हैव गॉट राइट, और अगर रॉन्ग है किस टाइप के एरर्स आपने किया है. Are they conceptual errors? Are they silly mistakes? Are they very narrow errors because maybe some basic thing you might have missed? So अगर analysis कर पाओ अपने attempt का, it helps you improve with every test. And the fifth mistake that people do is they do not mark on the OMR sheet directly. Okay, because we are scared. So what they do is they first attempt paper and write the choices in the rough, and then towards the end they try marking all the bubbles on the OMR at one go. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इट्स ए वेरी बिग स्ट्रेटेजिक एरर. आपने अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 उठाया, साथ साथ जो भी चॉइस यू थिंक इज राइट, मार्क इट ऑन OMR शीट. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, जो भी चॉइस सही है, मार्क डायरेक्टली ऑन द OMR शीट. बिकॉज यू नो ट्रांसफरिंग लास्ट में एंड जल्दबाजी में अगर आपने एक भी चॉइस गलत मार्क कर दिया, द क्वेश्चंस फॉलोइंग दैट वन विल ऑल गो रॉन्ग. And many times आपको पता भी नहीं होता है that to mark on the OMR sheet how much time you will take. I've seen students who have done the paper very well, but while transferring on the OMR sheet at the end, they did not have enough time. So don't do these 5 major blunders in your practice and your examination hall. Number 1, don't attempt the paper sequentially. Number 2, make sure that you have a method to identify which question you want to come and revise. Number 3, you must have a method of identifying what is the type of attempt that you have so that you can analyze the scores that you have been trying to score. You must also make sure that you are directly marking the questions on the MR sheet and not leaving any question just because your loss of time towards the end while trying to transfer the questions onto the paper. And most importantly, I said, make sure that you have attempted enough number of questions. 90-95 के ऊपर attempt करो. Don't be too conservative in taking chances. Don't be too scared in going for the smart guesses. I know students who attempt almost 99-100 questions, पूरा paper attempt कर देते हैं, and then they get a very good safe score beyond the cutoff. So all the best. Keep watching us for these kind of awareness building PYQ videos which will help you prepare now on, and all the best from us for 2025 prelim examination.